How to link your YouTube account to Discord. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to link your YouTube account to Discord, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into Discord on my computer, and then I need to click on this settings icon right here. When I'm in here, I will need to click where it says connections. And as you can see in here, there's a lot to choose from, but in this case, of course, we need to choose YouTube. After that, you will be taken to this page right here, where you will need to connect your YouTube account. And then you need to click right here if you want to allow your YouTube account to be linked to your Discord. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a good day.